solve this problem here. Side A of a square measure 4 inches. What is the length of the diagonal? So if this is our square, side A is equal to 4 inches, and all of the sides of a square, they're just congruent or equal. What is the length of the diagonal? Let's say we draw a diagonal here. Okay. We need to solve this. Since this one is 4 inches, so this one is also 4 inches, as well as this side and this side here. So we just have to solve for the diagonal. Since all of the angles in a square are, all of the corners, the angle corners of a square are equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, if we cut the square into half, we form two right triangles. Now if we cut that one, this is our 90 degrees angle. This is the diagonal. These are the sides of the square, which now becomes the legs of the right triangle. So here we can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for this side here. So let's say this side is x. So x is just equal to the square root of 4 squared plus 4 squared. The hypotenuse is just equal to the square root of the sum of the square of the two legs. So this is just 4 squared is equal to 16 plus 16. X is equal to the square root of 32, and 32 can be written as 16 times 2, perfect square, and can be written as 4 squared. So this is just the square root of 4 squared times 2. So our answer is just 4 times square root of 2. So the answer here is letter A, 4 square root of 2. Square root of 400 equals x squared. What is x? So 400 can be written as 20 squared. So therefore the square root of 20 squared is just 20. So 20 equals x squared. And now to solve for x, we square root both sides. So this is square root of 20, the square root of x squared. So x is just equal to the square root of 20. And then we can write 20 as 4 times 5 equals x, and 4 is a perfect square. You can write 4 as 2 squared times 5 equals x. Square root of 2 squared is just 2. Square root of 5 equals x. So the value of our x is just equal to 2 square root of 5.